Confirmed opt-in is when somebody signs up to your list and they get an email called a confirmation email. This email contains a link that they need to click in order to get any further emails from you. So you can edit that confirmation email in your account under List Options, clicking List Settings, and then choosing Confirmation Message. The first thing you can do here is pick a subject line. We've got some pre-created subject lines you can choose from, or you can click that link below that menu to create your own. This is the actual message itself, and you can edit things like the header of the message, the button text, that actual text that shows up for that confirmation button, and the signature as well. Customize your confirmation email today in Aweber under List Settings. Don't have an account yet? Don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.